Welcome to miniOrange. miniOrange provides single sign-on solutions for Bitbucket. And as we know, that is best OAuth and OIDC SSO solution available in the market. So, in this video we are going to set up Bitbucket Single Sign-on with Okta using OpenID protocol. Let's get started with the setup. Go to the Bitbucket dashboard, and click on Setting icon on the top right corner. Then scroll down and click on Find New Apps. Go to the Search tab and type OAuth, and press Enter. To download the plugin, click on Buy Now. Click on Accept and Install to agree with miniOrange policies and terms of view. After successful installation, use the license key to activate the plugin. And after activation of the license key, click on miniOrange OAuth client. Now you are on OAuth configuration tab. We will be covering Okta setup here. You can also go to the setup on this guide. Here you will get step-by-step instructions. So, firstly we are configuring Okta as OpenID provider. Go to the Okta login page, and log in with your credentials. Now click on Applications. Click on Create App Integration, and select OIDC OpenID Connect and Web Application, and click on Next button. Enter the application name. You will find the login redirect URI in the plugin, which is used to tell the OAuth provider where to send the token after authentication. Copied. Now click on Add URI and paste the copied URI in the given field. Scroll down, and select Controlled Access. And click on Save. Here you can see application created successfully. Now, you will find the client ID and client secret here. Go to the Assignment tab. Click on Assign, and select Assign to People. Assign the user, field the required information, and click on Save and go back. Click on Done. You can see the user assigned successfully. Now let's set up Bitbucket as OAuth client. Go to Configure OAuth tab. Now enter the app name. Copy the client ID from the application, and paste it in the client ID field. Copy the client secret from the application, and paste it. Enter the scope as OpenID to authenticate Okta, profile to read the profile data of the user, and email to access the email address of the user. Go to the Okta dashboard, and click on the arrow. Copy the URL, and paste it. Logout endpoint is optional. Now you need to select State Parameter. The state parameter is an extra parameter sent in the authorization request to protect against XSRF attack. And click on Save. You will get the OAuth setting updated message. Scroll down, and click on Test Configuration. You can see successful test configuration here, along with the first name and email ID. Now you will see the SSO button on the Bitbucket login page. Click on Use OAuth Login button, and you will be redirected to Okta login page for OAuth authentication. Now enter your Okta credentials. You will be successfully logged into Bitbucket dashboard. Go to the user profile to check the user data, and you can find user's email ID here. miniOrange provides best single sign-on solution. Thanks for watching.